Good afternoon, students, and how are you this afternoon?
Okay.
Okay, so welcome to Critical Mathematics. And what we're going to do for today, we're going to do some recap of some work that we did, and then we're going to go into something new. But you will tell me what will be the topic based on for this afternoon, right? Good. So we'll recap with a game. So let's go to screen. How was your week for this today?
Okay.
Went well? And you're preparing for your end of term, all your end of term assessments and everything putting in place, right?
We're finished.
Finished with all?
Yeah. Our work so far.
Okay, so they're just wrapping up for you to know what grades you would have obtained. Oh, nice. Okay, that's good. So, let's go. Shamar, take the lead.
Number one.
Number one. Good. Read.
What angles formed by perpendicular lines?
Answer.
Perpendicular.
Ali, you want to help?
Yeah. I think it's
You think it's
Either the complementary or supplementary.
okay.
I'm not quite sure.
You're not quite sure. You can't remember. All right. Okay, so that's one I have over you guys today. All right, let's see the answer and tell me if you would agree. Could you picture what a perpendicular line would look like?
Yeah.
Yes. So that is the angle at the form. I didn't want to go further into asking you questions pertaining to this question because you might have another one that would appear, and if we go through that explanation now, you would definitely get that one right. So let's see. So just remember and picture what you could remember about perpendicular lines. Let's go.
Number 13.
13. Okay.
How many degrees are there in a circle? It's 360.
Pardon me?
360.
360. Okay.
3 degrees in a circle.
Great. So that's one over you, Shamar.
Number 12.
12. Okay, no points. Alia?
15. This is a straight angle. A straight angle is an angle that adds up to that is more than more than 90 degrees or less than what 360 I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shamar, you want to help?
A straight angle is a straight line that's add up to 180 degrees.
180, all right, let's see. Okay, Alia, you were going right actually. And I think you had a change of mind or a change of heart. Let's go. Shamar.
Number 6. Vertical. Where should I point out?
Hands, gesture.
Vertical. Since the vertical is at the
Just show it by your hand.
Can't remember exactly, but probably there's the one going across or the one coming down.
Yeah, show me it. Show us it.
Probably this one. Not really sure.
Coming down. Okay. Alia? Agree?
No, I think the iron bottom. Oh yeah.
Okay, so you see the example that they would have used in your book?
Oh, the line.
Yes. But as Shamar would have showed with his hand, the direction. Okay, Alia.
No, 10.
20 points. Nothing. Shamar.
Number 2. Copy the diagonal line of the letter. You copy the letter that contains the diagonal line.
Alia?
I think F.
F?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So remember, one of the main things you would have had to remember what the diagonal line looked like.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm not sure.
Let's see answers.
Oh, it's 2 lines running to each other.
It's a slanted one, the one that is on a slope. So as long as you have one of those slants, it would create a diagonal. The Q, not much. Okay. Whose turn? Shamar? No, Alia?
7.
You have a lot of luck for this afternoon, Shamar.
Number 9. Power lines are 2 lines that run equally but never connect or never join.
Okay. Ali, you agree?
Yeah.
Great. That was a good one. Alia.
11. An obtuse angle is an angle that is more than 90 degrees. Yeah, angle that is more than 90 degrees.
Okay. Shamar, do you want to say?
More than 90 degrees but less than 180.
Okay, let's see. Great. Alia, you were thinking that, right?
Yeah.
You weren't too sure. You could have said it. Okay, Shamar.
Number 5. The stool top.
The stool top. Okay. What shape is that?
Circle.
Circle. Alia, agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Alia.
Number 3. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees.
Okay. Shamar? Agree?
Yes, miss.
Great. Shamar?
Number 4. They are 90 degrees in a right angle.
Okay. Alia?
Yeah.
Alia?
Yeah, from 14.
Shamar?
Number 16. Horizontal. Probably going across.
Going across. Alia?
Yeah, I agree.
All right. Last one, Alia.
That would be. Oh, nope.
You want to form it with your hands?
Yeah, I'm trying to think how.
Think about how you can use both hands to form it.
In perpendicular ones, the ones I'm running through, right?
Okay, yeah.
So,
Shamar, you think of anything yet?
they're the ones that are slanted, but
Don't have to be, not necessarily. So remember the question, the first question when I said I didn't want to explain?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know what they would have been another. Okay, so what about if we do this?
Yeah.
Right, even if it's like a cross, doesn't it form the right angle?
Yeah.
yeah.
Good. All right, so question. From what, the questions that you would have answered, what you would base the topic on for this afternoon? Think about some of the questions that they would have asked you. What would you base it on?
Angles and lines.
Angles and lines, something based on angles and lines.
Yeah.
Right? All right, great. So we're looking at construction or constructing line segments and angles and also some triangles. All right? Could you remember what is a line segment? Anyone?
I have nothing.
Pardon me? All right, let's go to screen. And Aliyah, you would read for me, please.
Constructions. Constructions are accurate drawings of shapes, angles, and lines in geometry. To do this, we need to use a pencil, a ruler, a straight edge, and a compasses.
Great. So please apply. Go to your geometry set and take out all the required materials that you need. So we need a pencil, a ruler, straight edge. Show me the straight edge ruler. All right. And the compasses. A pair of compasses. Shamar, you found your straight edge and your compass?
Yes, miss.
Okay. With the compass? All right, good. So, Ali, you have yours?
Yes.
Good. So we have some example here. What's one the example, Shamar?
The from the angle bisector.
Angles. Pardon me?
The angle bisector.
Okay, the angle bisector. Aliyah?
The perpendicular bisector.
Perpendicular bisector. Shamar?
Perpendicular from a point to the line.
Aliyah?
Perpendicular with a point on the line.
All right, good. So there you have lines. There you have the construction arcs showing, and also you would have observed that you have angles also formed by the lines. Right? So what I would need you to do, you're gonna try any one of those there. Either the first, the second, the third, or the fourth. So by just drawing a line randomly, just draw a short line, use your typing sheets. Draw lightly with your pencil. Shamar, which one are you going to do?
Probably the perpendicular from a point to the line.
Perpendicular from a point to the line. Okay, no problem. So, you have your line drawn already?
Yes, miss.
Okay, turn your page. set up your compass. Which one you're doing?
The first one.
The first one. You're smart. So, what you can do for the first one, just now, Shamara, you open your compass from end to end of your line. Good. No, not. Wait. Arc. Make an arc for the top. Come straight up.
Up here?
Top here. Right. Arc. And arc the bottom too. Go straight down to the bottom. Go. Right. And go on the other side. An arc. Top. Yes. Great. Now mark the middle with your pencil, and then draw a line straight through it. Yes, Shamar. So you need which one?
Which one am I doing?
Yes.
The third.
Perpendicular from a point to a line?
Yes.
Okay, so make an arc, any point of your line. Close your compass a little. Close
Inside
it.
out.
Yes, close it a little more. Okay, go on the line. Middle.
Middle.
Yes. Probably close the compass a little more. Right. Make a semicircle arc right here. Yes.
Around?
Not a circle, a semicircle.
Okay.
Yes, from there come round to the other side. Come on. Oh, you can't move your compass. Don't press too hard. Good. Now go on the end of one of the semi. Good. Open back your compass. Open a little more. Right. And close it a little. Make an arc at the top. Come over this other side. Make an arc. Great. So, what I'd like you to do, mark the middle of that line that you had just, yes, mark the middle. Take your rule, mark the middle of the arc that you drew at the top.
In the middle here?
Yes. Right, draw a line straight through now. Great. So that is just basically constructing something given, right? You construct your perpendicular bisector. Remember the perpendicular bisector create a what? From the game? Shimari, you remember?
An egg.
Yes, but a particular something, not just saying egg.
Rectangle.
No, Shimari, remember?
What it makes?
Yeah.
X.
Not that I wanted. 90-degree angle. Right? It creates a 90-degree angle. No matter how you draw a perpendicular, it will always be a 90-degree. Good? And if you recognize your own also would have created a perpendicular. Right?
Yes.
Good. So, let's go on. Screen. Alia?
Line segment. A portion or piece of a line that allows you to build polygons, determine shapes, and make calculations. Its length is
Finite.
finite and is determined by its two endpoints.
Okay. What do you understand by the term finite?
Doesn't end.
It doesn't end. Okay. Actually, finite is that it has, if you notice, you see C to X. So the line ends at those points, right? Infinite is where it's continuous and it never ends, right? So you are on target of the idea, but just that you mix the two up, actually. Right, so we're looking at the line segment now. So, what we need, simply to draw a line segment, I would like you to draw one straight line, not too short. Not too short. Not too short, that is short. Not too short, that is short. Go on. Good. So I need a line segment that is 5 cm. Take your compass. Take your rule. Rest your rule on your paper. Find your cm on the rule. Yes, cm. Start from 0. Put the point of the compass at 0. And then open it to 5. Either side. Either the pencil or the point. No, don't wear the line as yet. Just open you're just opening the compass to 5 cm. From 0 to 5. You there? Okay, you can take it off now. Put it on any part of your line. Not at the end, any part. Go in a little more so that it can fit. Go on, go over, go over. Would it fit if you arc here? Okay, arc one end of your line.
So this center.
No, just fit it on the line. Right, make an arc there. Good. Make an arc. Yes.
Okay.
Great. Now put your compass right on where the arc and the line intersect. Don't close it though. Great. Arc the other side. Great. You can name one A, one B, put 5 cm in the middle. So if you look at my screen, what you did just now, you have the line, take your compass, so I would want to open it from 0 . And I need to go to 5, right? 5 cm. Is this okay?
Yes, yes.
Great. So I'll take it now. Put it on any part of my line. I don't want it too much to the ends, so I'll set it on any part of the line. Lock. So I need to arc here. Arc here. So I would have now a 5 cm line where I can write, get the pen, cm inside of it to indicate that from point A to point B is how much cm? 5 cm. So we would have just constructed the line segment AB. We okay with that?
Yes, yes.
We want to try one quickly, another one. So construct line segment XY at 8.5 cm. 8.5 cm.
Okay.
8.5. You would recognize that to get your 0.5, you need to count your strokes between your rule, and since 5 would be a half mark, you would notice that there is a little line that is a bit longer than the others in the middle. So that would give you your halfway mark, giving you your 0.5. Got it? Yes. Mm-hmm. You can turn your page. You can turn your page so your angle will be okay. Great. XY and 8 cm. Then what you can also do to ensure that your line was drawn accurately, take your rule and measure in between the space to see if you went over a bit or not. And you can say to me if you went over. Did you go over, Aliyah?
Yeah.
Yes, you went over a lot.
I went over 2 cm.
Oh, to 0.2. Yes. You okay there?
Yes.
Shamar's perfect. Great. All right, no problem, Ali. So there we have the line segment. Let's now look at screen. Shamar?
What is an angle? When two lines meet or intersect at a point, then the angle is formed.
Great. So, Aliyah, some part of your art with your hand form an angle. Show me an angle. Create an angle using your hand. Your fingers, your whole hand. All right, great. So the angle, you will have the angle out there. Shamar, not your fingers, show me an angle formed by your hand. Or by your arm. Yes?
Here.
Okay, that one too, but you can also make one with your one hand. You're actually making it right there. You are making it right there. Yes, you form the angle there. All right, good. So what we're doing, we're constructing some angles, right? And we know the angles are measured by degrees. Good? So some basic angles that you can always remember anytime you have to construct, because it's done by one pattern or one way of getting it. So it will be very easy for you to observe it when you see it at any point. So what we're going to do, draw another line segment. So we're going to draw a line segment with a measurement. So you draw a line segment 6 cm. And we will use that to create a 60-degree angle. take your protractor, take your compass and make your arcs.
We make mark the same arcs as before.
Yes, with the 6 cm at your 6 cm point. We there?
Yes, miss.
So let me make my 6 cm. So what can we name it? What could we name this line segment?
Yeah.
What? Two endpoints we need to label.
They're gonna end it, right?
Yeah.
EF.
EF? All right, good. So I make my arc 6. So we name it EF. So pay attention to what I'm going to do now. I want to make a 60 degrees at I'm going to make it at the angle F and at the angle E. Right? So I'm going to make it at the angle F first since we're here. So if you would have observed, I closed the compass a little. Great. I'm going to make a arc. Shamar, you saw the arc?
Yes, miss.
Then I'm going to replace the compass point where the arc and the line intersect, and I'm going to cut that arc there again. So I have there. Alright? If I use my rule now, I want to place a line from that arc so I need to get the exact point. If I don't, it will go off a little. Okay, let me see now. Let me see if it's almost accurate. A little bit? Let's try that. So close your compass. Close it a little more. Well, a little smaller than that, Aliyah. You don't want to make your your arc too large. Great?
This?
Yes. So close it a little more. Great. So arc it. Cut the line segment at the bottom there, on the other side. Great. Right? Put the compass on the point, right? And cut that arc that you just created. Great. Take your pencil and mark the intersection. Even before you do that, mark the intersection with your pencil. Good. Now take your straight edge and draw a line through it. All right, so you're trying not to, you see what you did?
Yeah.
You mark and mark over, so you'll be a little off. But is that your 6 cm line?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, good. So Aliyah, do the same thing on the other side. You want to try back, draw one back quickly, because that one is untidy. Yes. You took out the pencil already? Also, the next time, we need a pencil that we won't have to be removing the pencil from out of the compass.
It's supposed to be the same or different?
The other side?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But you see, if you put it that big, good. So cut down this one side here. Good. I cut it up properly, right. Come here. Arc. Great. Mark a point. So we are creating a 60-degree angle there. But at the end, we would have also, check your point properly. Okay, go. Come straight up. Come straight up, straight up, straight up. Right, drawing that one back now. At the end, we actually created what, Aliyah? Pardon?
Triangle?
We just created a triangle, actually. So, despite we just did a 60-degree angle, and you can always draw a 60-degree angle like that, we would also have created a triangle in one. So let me put the angle on this side. Shamar, you getting through?
Yeah, miss.
Take my straight rule. Try to adjust it as quickly as possible. Then take the pencil. So, place your 60 degrees angle there.
Here?
Yes, in the angle, 60 on the other side. Please write the dimension of your line that you drew in the first place.
So the main back to me, the line is like small.
Yes, because you're. Let me see. You see what happened? You didn't use your 6, you use your 5. That is why you're getting it like that. Okay. You'll get some practice. And if you take a look at Alia's, please lend Shamar yours. Turn it. So that's how you should look at the end of it. Alright?
Okay.
So what you did, you measure 5 cm instead of 6. That's why your line is short. And when you're making your arc, it kind of get a little cumbersome because this circle, how you expanded your compass was a little larger. Right?
Okay.
Alright, good. So collect Aliyah. So let's see if we'll get the other one better. We'll look at the 90-degree angle now. So we just drew 60. Let's go to 90. So just draw a line segment. Let's use 8 this time. 8 cm from 0 to 8. Just draw, remember, just draw a straight line. Just draw a straight line. Just draw the line. No longer than that. Longer than that, Shamar.
Longer?
Yes. Just draw a long line. Good. Then you open your compass to 8 cm. Zero to 8. Great. Now any part on your line, don't go to the ends. Stay away from the ends. Right, scribe the arc on both sides. Right, turn it wrong, scribe your arc. Good, that is better. Let me see something with your compass. Okay. Because somehow your arc looked like it went off a little.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not sure why. But your compass is okay. Scribe your arc. Alright, so let's name the first point A. So the first arc, your point is A. Mark your point. Mark the point where the arc intersects your line.
Like that. Right?
Yes. Not with pen. You're not writing with pen at all. Good. So go on that same point with your compass. Close it smaller. And you smaller than that. And do a semicircle right away. Not a circle, a semicircle, yes. Cut your lines, cut both sides of your lines. Go right way around.
Just going.
Yes, close it a little more. Because you might be too much in. Close it more. Good. And
Going this way.
yes. Good. So put your compass at the end of the semi, any side, and cut right there. Cut that arc there. Yes, cut the arc there. Good. Go right where you intersect that arc, and make an arc at the top. At the top, yes, at the top. Great. Now come over. Go right back there. Cut the semicircle on the other side.
Here?
Yes. Cut the semicircle at bottom. Right. Now go on that point where your semicircle intersect.
Intersect here?
Yes. And cut the arc that you made at the top. Great. Great. Now mark the intersection there. Mark where they're at that. Those two arcs would have intersected. Mark the middle. Oh, you have the A mark. Right, take your rule now and draw a line straight up. Wait. Bring in the bottom a little more. Carry out the top a little. Just about. Carry it straight up. Carry it up more. Yes, you don't have to stop there. Now the reason I asked you to carry it up more because I need you to do something else. I need you to open your compass at 5 cm. Here, yes, 5 cm.
And so should this part go more?
Yes. When I say to draw a line, don't just draw a short line, just draw a line, a longer line. 5 cm.
Yeah.
Go at A and cut that line, arc that line there. Yes. Good. Stop. Mark where you cut it. So where's your point B? Call that point C. Where's your point B? A, that's A. Where's B? B was the first one, the second one that we made on the other side.
Discriminate.
Oh, yeah.
No?
This is
B. There. No, go there.
Yeah.
On A. That is 5 cm you have?
Yes.
Right, cut the line at the top there now. Good. So join B to C.
This is A, so here will be B.
No, this is C. This is C there.
This C.
And B would be the other side.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So now you join A to B to C.
Ruler, right?
Yes. Mark the middle. Mark there and mark at the top at C. Great. Join it. What did we form? What type?
a right angle.
A right angle triangle. What we know about a right angle triangle?
Measures 90 degrees.
You have a 90 degree. Where's your 90 degrees? Okay, so put a little square at the bottom there at your 90 degree angle. Yes, a little one, not so big. A little square. Good. That's indicating that is 90. Now, we would have had 8 cm at the bottom. 8 cm. And the line AC would have been how much?
5 cm.
5 cm. So put 5 cm at the side. So let's even include another aspect. Let's measure the line BC. And because that is a line segment also. Coming up with
It's like
9 point something, 9.567,
5.
8
9.5.
or 9 you have. 9.9 you have actually there. Count the lines. You have 9 point,
I have 9.5.
yes, you have 9.5. All right, write your 9.5 on the line.
9.9.
9.9.
Yeah.
All right, put your 9.9. I think your own went out because remember that arc over there we would have said
Yeah.
looked like it shift a little.
Yeah.
Right, so that would have probably went out of place. Good. And also, remember when we were doing the pie chart, what was one of the things we had to do with the pie chart? To create the pie chart, to make the pie chart.
Divide the sectors.
And then, when we actually did the pie chart,
Oh, I tried to have to measure.
we had to measure
I think it's the angle.
the angles.
Yeah.
Good. So let's measure the angle there also. So we're intertwining all those things, that pieces that we would have learned leading up to this. So protractor, yes, center to center. Let's measure at B. So put it over at B. So we're starting from 0. Line on the line. Center to center, you had it correct. Good. Line on the line. Start from 0 at the line there. Move the finger there. Yes. Start from 0 and see where it leads. Great. Start from 0.
Where is this?
Exactly. And see where it leads.
Where from?
Yes, to the line.
I have 35.
35?
Yes.
No, I'm not seeing 35. Go look again.
33.
33.
Yeah.
Right, so your angle is 33. So write 33 in the angle here. Right in the angle here. The space of the angle.
Here?
Angle, where's the angle? Yes. Good. Make your arc also. Close with your arc.
Describe arc with.
Yes. No, you just put a little arc there to make the angle here. Great.
I got 32 too.
How much would you get?
33.
33? Okay, not bad. So put your 33 in the angle. Great. So we would have, so let's recap some of the things we did. Shamar.
Drawing triangles by using angles.
Okay, drawing the triangles by using the angle to create it.
Yeah.
Good. Alia?
Learn about line segments.
Line segments.
Constructed triangles with using the angles.
Constructed triangles using the angle. So we constructed the angles first, right? Because we were constructing the 60-degree angle and the 90-degree angle. But in constructing the angle, we didn't stop there. We went on to creating the triangle with the use of those angles. So we actually compile more than one thing into one. Right? So as I would have said, at a 60-degree angle, as long as you see an angle looking like a construction looking like that, that forms an angle, it will always be 60 degrees. As long as it's in that method, and that way I should say, not method. Right? If you see the 90 would always look like what type of line from the game? What type of line from the game? The 90 degree. Huh? A perpendicular line. So the 90 degree actually creates a perpendicular line. So as long as you see the line looking like the 90 degree or looking like a perpendicular, it is 90. If it's 90, it's a perpendicular. Right? So we went through types of lines before, when you even had to show me the direction of a vertical or a horizontal. We went through type of angles from before, the acute angle and the obtuse angle. Then we incorporate knowing the lines and the angles in constructing the lines and the angles to create a type of polygon. Right? As we would have even learned from previous lessons. So we okay with that? Yes. We okay with the constructions?
Yes.
Just be careful when you're doing construction. Be careful with the tool that you're using, especially your pencil must be sharp, not too blunt, and also you take your time and draw lightly. Do not draw with a pen. And do not trace over your construction. That is why, Shamar, when you were constructing the one that we had to more or less omit, you see how it looks?
Yeah.
See it? So it's dark. And look at Alia's construction. That was much lighter. It's easy to erase when it's light. When it's too dark, when you erase it, the impressions leave and your work look a little untidy. Right? So be careful with your constructions and be careful with your tools. So, how was the session for this afternoon? How was your constructions?
Okay.
Okay, would you remember it?
Yeah.
We'll try to. All right then. Do have a blessed afternoon. Do enjoy. And we'll see you on Friday for your next session of Critical English. Good afternoon.